Hello and welcome back to this channel. For new visitors, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. For this video of Android Kotlin programming tutorial, you will learn about how to display combined chart data. Yes, a combined line and bar chart data. A full tutorial for Android chart tutorial series using Kotlin and Android Studio tutorial. So let's start. For quick overview, here is the library MPAndroidChart, and then this is the Android manifest, Gradle wrapper properties, and Gradle properties. So we're using the combined chart. Let's just delete this and then type combined chart, and here we go. For this, so we use the combined chart. Let's just copy this and then paste it. Entries for line chart, then this is for bar entry. Let's just rename this. Okay, now we have a set this. For now, we use this data coming from the previous tutorial. Let's just copy this and then enter. Then I will copy this. And then we use the bar entry to differentiate the data for each column. I think we add the value on highest point. So if this is the line of 134, maybe I add to 154, simply 173, 130. If 120, I think 150. 165, and then 275. So for now, for this data, let's just delete this. This also we can be used later on. So we use the line chart. Simple as add val. Okay, we have a data set. This is the settings is line chart. Just erase it, and then if we have a line data, we can delete this later. For now, let's just add the bar data set. I think let's just add the line data set. Just change the value. Copy, paste, then tab. Okay, so this is it. Just it the code for now, and then let's just continue. Bar data set, and then profit. This profit bar. Then just copy bar chart, the label. Okay, then use the bar dataset, set color. Okay. If we use the, I suggest to, we can choose to any kind of color. Maybe for me, I use this type of color. Okay. For the data set, use the data. Okay. Use the combine data. Okay. So let's just delete this. Sorry for the background noise. And then data. Then okay. Data, then set data. If we use this, simply, sorry for the, I will rename this. Okay, and then let's copy this for the set line data, and then okay. We have first set the line of data here, and now next is bar data set. Just copy this and then the val value, and then that's okay. Bar data. Forget this. That's it. We have a certain line data and a bar data. Then after that, we'll insert our data. So we can. This is the. We can add the here for additional UI. Is an optional value. So set text. Our title is Combine Chart Example. Maybe it's better is okay, example. Then Combine Chart, and then just text color. Then color. The background white is colorful, maybe white. Description, then text size. You can modify the text size. Then always use the float. So that is, we have a setup for combined chart. It will be at this point. So now we have completed this. We can optimize this. This is it. We have a few error. Oh, okay. Because we delete this. Now let's run the app. Okay, that's it. Here is the line chart. We can zoom out again. Okay. This is the. I forgot this. Delete this. Okay. You can zoom out. Here it is, the combine line and bar chart. This is the description. Combine chart example. If you can see it, you can increase the text size and also the legend, the line chart and the bar chart. So that's it for the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit notification bell for more updates in Android program tutorial. Add some reviews and thank you comment for this tutorial. Thank you.